friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making shredded chicken sandwich. For this easy recipe, all you need is cooked chicken. You can use any leftover rotisserie chicken. I'm using a chicken breast, so you can use any parts of chicken you like. So you just need cooked chicken meat and mayo and sweet pickle relish. So it's just 3 simple ingredients for the shredded chicken salad. And to make a sandwich out of it, you need some bread. So to shred the chicken, the easiest way is to use a food processor fitted with a steel blade. So I'm going to add all my ingredients to the food processor. So I'm just going to cut this big chicken breast into several pieces. Add it to the food processor. And for this one large chicken breast, I'm going to use about 1/4 cup of mayo. And you can always adjust the amount of mayo based on your preference. But that's what I start with. And 1 tablespoon of sweet pickle relish, and again you can always adjust it. And now let's process the chicken until it's shredded and everything is combined. You can just pulse it, so it gives you better control. You can turn it on and process continuously. Once you pulse it a few times, just take a look to see it's already shredded. So that was really quick. And if not, you can pulse it some more. So now let me just take it out. Let me just check to make sure there's no big pieces of chicken. No, it's fully shredded. If you'd like to add more mayo, more pickle relish, feel free to do it. So now I'll take that out of the food processor. So here's delicious shredded chicken salad. And now we'll turn it into a sandwich. So let's just take some bread. And I'll put it on bread. And now you can top it with another bread. And if you'd like, you can slice it on a diagonal so it looks like a deli sandwich. Perfect. And now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying it. I love shredded chicken salad sandwich. So good. It tastes amazing and it's so easy to make. You'll love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!